Hello students, this is Jasveer Kaur, your social science teacher from Ascam Public School, ready to teach you the next portion of your geography chapter second, chapter second and part is also second. And as yesterday we have studied about physical division of India on this map, right? 6 physical divisions. Let us recap somewhat. Northern mountains, northern plains, then I told you about desert, then we talk about coastal plains, western coastal plains, this one eastern coastal plain, western coastal plains. Then I told you about the islands situated in Arabian Sea, islands situated in Bay of Bengal. Here islands, this one Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep Islands. So for that then I told you about the Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, right? Then the remaining area I asked you to get in shadow, that is plateau. And plateau is also further divided into 3 main headings: Central Highlands, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Deccan Plateau. And all these physical divisions we have to study in detail, right? And I think that for that detail, before we go for that detail, you should know some important terms of this chapter, so that you may easily get that chapter. While teaching that chapter, I don't have to stop there to explain these terms again and again. If you know all these terms well in advance, so ultimately you will learn this chapter easily. When I will teaching and learning will go on, right? And hopefully in online class I will try to teach one topic so that you may interpret yourselves in front of me based upon these important terms. Very important, these physical divisions, how these physical divisions came into existence. That in the beginning I told you, due to different activities under the earth, that is the crust, mantle and core, 3 parts of that. I told you na, interior of the earth, आपने पढ़ा हुआ lower classes में, interior of the earth, right? Here somewhat if I take in this way, inner part is core, this part is mantle and upper part is crust. And whatsoever these physical divisions we are talking, that are on the crust, right? These are on crust, so that I am telling you. So in this way, very important first term is theory of tectonic plates. Tectonic plates. It is theory of tectonic plates. It is theory in geology that lithosphere of the earth is divided into small number of plates, right? You may have heard this earth, whole this globe, it has different type of layers here in mantle and crust. Mantle and crust, there are different type of plates, right? Like I can give you example of these. You may have seen the cycle stands. No? Cycles at the cycle stand. There may be 100, 50, 300, whatever cycles are standing on one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 100 cycles are there, right? These cycles are there. If any one cycle got in touch, this cycle falls down, it ultimately all the cycles fell down in a way. In WhatsApp and other social media you may have seen, one ball is tracking there and it roams around many places. Only single movement, very we can say 100 part of a 1 second force is there. हल्का सा इसको you touch करते तो it falls down and take all the cycles with it. Right? So exactly same way there are different type of minor and major plates. Minor and major plates. And in the earth, when there is any type of movement, okay, formation of these different layers by the plates, that is called plate tectonic theory. Right? There are 7 major plates. There are 7 major plates and some more than 12 approximately minor plates. Okay, some more plates inside the earth. Inside the earth, that is plate tectonic theory. And over the mantle and much of the earth crust, seismic activity occurs at the boundaries of these plates. Right? Whole world has been divided into 7 major plates, right? Continent-wise plates that I will show you on map in my next video. So when these activities are going on, okay, earth crust में जब ये activities होती रहती हैं, these activities major take 3 types: folding, faulting, and volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions. These can be divided into 3 categories: folding, faulting, and volcanic eruption. Faulting means to say making any type of mistake, okay, inadequate, criticizing, inadequate. Folding, there is flexibility. There is flexibility in these plates. And volcanic eruptions, you know that when volcano occurs, from the core of the earth, from the mantle of the earth, some magma, lava comes out, and that abruptly do the molten magma come out of it is that is formed volcanic eruptions. Got it? So these are the 3 more words: tectonic plates. Then next, second word is folding. Third word is faulting. Fourth word is volcanic eruptions. That you have to note down in the keywords or major terms when while this plate tectonic theory works. And based upon all these 3 activities, there is movement, change, some movement in the plates of the earth. Movement in the plate of the earth, that is tectonic theory. Okay? Tectonic plates theory of tectonic plates, that is further divided into 3 categories: conversion, diversion, and transformation. Mean to say these plates converge, diverge, and transform. Right? So earth plate, I told you, you may take example of these plates with this. When there is any type of movement in the core of the earth, the plates automatically have some movement, and these movement further categorized into 3 categories: conversion, diversion, and transformation. Now I would like to explain these activities with the help of these 2 my diaries. Right? Conversion mean to say these are the plates, okay, earth plates. several plates are there, 1000 plates are there. In this way there is a movement, right? इस टाइप के elements होते हैं. When there is a minor movement, sometimes suppose these plates are here, right? Then they come closer due to movement. That is conversion of the plates. This plate, this is some type of elements are there. That is conversion of the plates. Conversion movement. When different plates due to movement come closer, that is conversion, right? And then second is diversion. Very clear cut. When due to the movement, suppose these plates are located here nearby. These plates are here nearby in this way, right? When any movement is there in the core, these plates get diverted to each other, एक दूसरे से और दूर चली जाती हैं प्लेट्स. देन दिस इज कॉल्ड कन्वर्जन ऑफ द टेक्टोनिक प्लेट. कन्वर्जन ऑफ द प्लेट्स. ठीक है. डाइवर्जन, कन्वर्जन व्हेन दे कम क्लोजर, कन्वर्जन एंड क्लोजर. Diversion when their difference is increased, they are diverted from one another. And transformation, they change their place. Third one is transformation of earth plate tectonic theory. Suppose in this way plates are standing, right? They change their place. To say in this way, so I have made it, two are horizontally and one is vertically, right? Transformation is vertically, and this is conversion, its diversion and its transformation, right? Let us repeat once again. Its conversion, its diversion and its transformation, right? So I will speak the words, you have to act accordingly, then you will learn properly. Conversion, diversion, transformation. Please do it honestly. If you are present in the class, we have done it in the class only. That is conversion, diversion, transformation. Transformation vertically, conversion and diversion is horizontally. And these three activities are the result of faulting and volcanic eruption gets into result. इसकी वजह से फोल्डिंग होती है और वॉल्केनिक इरप्शंस होते हैं. एंड ओवरऑल इट इज टेक्टोनिक प्लेट थ्योरी. ओवरऑल इट इज टेक्टोनिक प्लेट थ्योरी. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस फिजिकल डिविजन्स, राइट? वन मोर थिंग, यू मे हैव हर्ड अबाउट गोंडवाना लैंड. यू मे, दिस इज थर्ड, फोर्थ, इट्स फिफ्थ, इट्स सिक्स्थ, it's 7th. Then 8th is Gondwana land. It is heard that there was collision. Collision, you know, is a process when कुछ टकरा जाता है आपस में. Like that, there were different type of asteroids and meteors in the sky. There was collision between them, collision among them. And that Africa, Australia and India, their formation is there from this Gondwana land. It is considered, so that is formation from that, due to that collision, right? Collision means to say opposite directions से कुछ conflict create हो जाती है. That was like there. Some part of that is nearby. That is Australia. You may see from this globe. That is Australia in this sea, right? India and this South Africa and this Africa. Africa, India and Australia. These are the part of Gondwana land. And it also further categorized into two categories: territories and Gondwana land, right? So that was based upon 200 million years ago. That I'll tell you in my next video. It is too long story, right? Just you have to note down all these points till Gondwana land. Okay, tectonic plates, folding, faulting, volcanic eruption, conversion, diversion, transformation and Gondwana line. Okay, bye students, take care.